intersection and union of two sets. Okay, let us see one by one. First, let us see what is the intersection of sets. Next, union of two sets. Okay, intersection of two sets. Let us see first. So when you see here, the intersection of, let's take two sets. So here is the meaning is the intersection of two sets A and B. Let us take two sets A and B is the elements common to both A and B. For example, A is the set having elements 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, comma 2, comma 3 is having elements of A in 1, 2, 3. Next to B is having elements 2, 3, comma 4. Right? A is having 3 elements, B is having 3 but different elements. A is having 1, 2, 3 and B is having 2, 3, 4. So the intersection is the common to both A and B. So which are the common elements in this A and B that we can denote with A intersection B. Okay, this is the symbol. This U reverse this term, like this is a symbol for intersection you can use. So it is written as A intersection B, and we can read as A intersection B or A cap B. Okay, generally you can use the intersection word. Sometimes some books you can use A cap B also. Okay, that's A intersection B. So A intersection B is the elements which are in common in A and B two sets combined. So if you notice the common elements, 2 here and here. So 2 is element and 3 is here and here. Only the common elements. Which are not common you can leave. Only the elements which are in common, they are nothing but the intersection of two sets. You can take 1, 2, even 3 sets, any number of sets. In that all, we should take only the common elements. Okay, here is the symbol. We can write like this intersection. So that means we can write this as A intersection B. This is nothing but X is an element. Okay, that X belongs to A and same that X is belongs to B also. This is the statement we can conclude for intersection of two sets. These are the example. So any elements are given, only you can take the common. Let us see here in important note. See some points in this intersection. So whenever you can see A intersection B, that means A intersection is only the common elements. So this is only less compared to A and B, right? A intersection B is only having elements 2, 3. In this example, if you observe, elements in set A we have 1, 2, 3. That means A intersection B is a subset to the A, and same A intersection B is subset to the set B also. Okay, this we can conclude. And one more, in case if A intersection B is equals to null, that means A and B having no any element, means there is no common element. Then if there is no any common element, that we know that A and B are the disjoint sets, just we discussed previous. So A and B are disjoint sets. If A and B are disjoint, then A intersection B is the null because there is no any common element. Right? That is A intersection B. For example, let's take few more notes. In case if A intersection B is not equals to null set, means there is a common element, then A and B are joint sets, right? Then A and B are not disjoint, that means they are joint sets or overlapping sets. They are joint. Okay, that is a overlapping set. You can say they are overlapping sets. This is the case. And A intersection. So similarly, there are the cases we can conclude. This is an important note. And let us see another two rules. If A is the set, if it is a subset of B, that means the elements in A all are in B also. So A is a subset of B, then A intersection B, because only common elements, no, so you get A only, because all the elements of A are in B, because A is a subset of B, therefore A intersection B is the A. And if B is the subset of A, okay, then A intersection B is equals to B, then A intersection B is equals to B we can take, because B is a subset of A in the two cases. And if A is subset of B, okay, if A is a subset of B, then B complement is subset of A complement. Okay, next I'll explain this complement also, followed by, just you can note on this. If A is subset of B, then B complement is subset of A complement. So let us continue next. Okay, these are the important points in this intersection of two sets. Next, let us see the union of two sets. So intersection is only the common elements, right? And union of two sets. Union of two sets. So let's take this with two sets. Okay, so when you come to this definition, union of two sets A and B, let us take A, B example, is a set of elements which belongs to A or to the B or both of them. So let me take one example. Let A is having elements same like previous 1, 2, 3, okay, and B is having elements 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Intersection is the only common, but when you come to the A union B, this is the symbol, so U letter. Okay, this we can read as A union B. So that is all the elements, so that which are belongs to the A or B or the both. Every element you should write without repeating. This is the main. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4. From set A and set B, all the elements we should write. That is for A union B without repeating. That means the union of two sets A and B is a set of elements which belongs to A or to B or both combined also. We can read as this A union B. This is A cup B we can say. So there is A cap B, this is A cup B or A union B. For noting down, you can just note on that. A union B or A cup CUP, A cup B. Intersection is A cap B, that is. Okay, for notice you can just note down. Let us see some important points in this. So when you see the note, let A is the subset of A union B. If A is subset of A union B and B is a subset of A union B. Here is the case is same, because A is a subset of A union B, because A union B is all the sets compared to A and B. Compared to A and B, A union B only more element. That's why A is a subset of A union B always. And similarly, B is also the set is subset of A union B. Okay, we can take this. A is and B are the subsets of A union B, right? And another point, if same like previous, for example, if A is the subset of B, okay, then here is A union B is equals to B only, because A is the subset of B. B is the biggest set now, because A union B means all the elements which are in A is there in B also. So A union B means absolutely B only get. Same. A is a subset of B, then A union B is equals to B. And if reverse you can take, for example, B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A, then A union B is equals to A here. Just reverse. And one more property is A union A complement, that is equals to universal set. So this universal set and complement I'll explain next topic. So just remember these points. So these are the important note. So for the union of two sets and this intersection of two sets, right? Now let us see this complement and universal set along with that difference of two sets. So we can do difference between the two sets also. Let us see now.